In this video, I will show you how you can buy Spaceship domain. So firstly, you want to search for Spaceship domain in your search bar. And then you just want to open this first link from spaceship.com. And here you'll see this start typing, and you just want to type your name of your domain which you would like to have. So let's say I will type checkmark academy. And then you want to press search, and it will find all available domains with this name. So as you can see over here, you can see .com. So this is the most trusted and strongest extension. Like every site, almost every site uses .com. So I would recommend going with this. But you can also search .net. This is also a really good option. And on the right side, you can see price for each domain. You can also find cheap domains like for $2. I almost never saw this extension, and it's weird. So I would recommend choosing one of those suggested, but you can also choose from those other domains. You can scroll through them, and I will choose this cheapest one, and it's 1.9 USD per year. So now you just want to click on view cart, and you will get another suggestions. So you can choose, let's say you can add for $0 for 30 days like web hosting over here. So let's say I'm going to add this thing, but then after the trial, it's going to be $4 per month. But you have also there's options like you have Space Mail or Alpha website. Then I'm going to click on continue. So in this package, I will have domain for 1 year and also web hosting for 1 month for free. Then click checkout. And now just want to create or login if you already have account on Spaceship. Since I don't have account, so I will click on this sign up, and I'm gonna fill all those details like my name, my email address, and also my username. And then I'm gonna click on next. And then you just want to add your password. And then I'm gonna just hit sign up, and this should create your account. You just need to confirm your email address by pasting this 6-character code. So I'm gonna check my email, I'm gonna paste it, then verify. And now our account should be created. So we will have option to add payment method to pay for our domain. So you can still check your items if everything is correct. So this is my domain for $1 and 96 cents. And also this web hosting, and you can also choose like server location of the web hosting here. So I can choose, let's say, European Union. And then I think we can pay it. So you can choose payment method. You have credit card or PayPal. You also have Alipay and also Apple Pay and Google Pay, but this is not supported on my browser. So maybe if you try it on different browser, you are going to be able to also use those things. In my case, I will pay it with credit card. And now we should have our domain. So you can click on unbox. From here, you can choose your email. So use Spacemail to create and manage email accounts. So you can choose your email plan if you want. So let's say I will keep this Spacemail special. It's $0 per year. Then I'm gonna click on continue. And from here, you can secure your domain. So you have this free SSL or positive SSL. So you can choose from those options. So let's say I will keep this free, and this should protect our domain. Then click continue. We also have some other options, like you can connect Thunderbolt if you want, but I don't need it for now. And I'm gonna click on unbox. And now products are ready, so we can skip configuration or you can configure your products. So let's say I'll skip it for now. Then I'm done. Close. And now you should see it here in your Launchpad over here. And you want to choose the domain manager. And from here we can see our domain. You can also enable auto renew over here. So it's going to be automatically renewed on next year. You can also see privacy status, so it's private. Then also expires on, so it will expire on next year. And also your connections. So we have this web hosting here. We also have space mail, and then in this free SSL. So if you click on your domain, from here you have this menu on the right side where you can see your name servers and DNS records. So those are your name servers of the domain. And then if you click on advanced DNS, and then got it. And from here, you can customize your DNS record of your domain. So let's say you are connecting your domain to another hosting platform. And to be able to connect it, you want to add records from the other side over here. So you'll click on add record and you will choose type of the record. So CNAME or A. And then you're just gonna add those records over here. Now if I go back to my domain, you can also do URL redirect. So you can type your name of redirect domain. So if someone goes to this domain it should redirect him to this .com domain, which I added, like this one. And then you can also choose redirect type. So you can choose this 302 temporary or permanent. And then you're just gonna hit save. And whenever someone enters these domains in website, it will redirect him to the page you added. So that's another way what you can do with your domain. You can also transfer. So if I click transfer, you can transfer your domain to a new registrar or another customer. So you can transfer ownership of the domain. Then you can also edit your connections. So we have this web hosting over here, space mail, and you can add connections to your domain. So if I add connection, if I click on it, you can add many different options like this. You can also add custom name servers, custom DNS records, and you have many options here. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can buy your domain on Spaceship. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.